हाय बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे ABCD। कलर जान लेते हैं। ब्लू कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पिंक कलर, ग्रीन कलर। पहले लेंगे अपने ब्लू कलर। A for apple, A for apple, blue color. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for gun, G for gun. Green color, green color. H for house, H for house. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for joker. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nose, N for nose. Orange color. O for orange, O for orange. P for peacock, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sun, S for sun. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Pink color, pink color. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for x-ray, X for x-ray. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. A, X, Y, Z. थैंक यू बच्चों।